morning, Mom. Welcome to the Wing Hotel. Do you have a reservation?
Yes, I have a reservation of other restaurant.
Let me just pull them out. Yes, here's it. A double bed dance movie, stay 2 nights, arriving today, 24th. Is that correct?
Yes, that's right.
May I have your ID, please? I should see your credit card. Thank you. Your room number is 304, and here's your key card, Mom. Here's the total bill is 4,000 pesos, including taxes and fees, and also breakfast is included. Is there anything else I can help you with you today?
No, I think that's all. Thank you.
You're welcome. Enjoy your stay at the Golden Hotel. Your breakfast is served from 7 p.m. to 10 p.m. There's current heaven service. Don't hesitate to call the front desk. Good afternoon, Mom. I'm checking out. Room 304 in Nasa Cabrillo.
Yes, good afternoon, Mom. Let me just assist your account, Mom.
Okay.
Okay, Mom, your total bill is 400 pesos, including the tax and what do you prefer to pay after? Credit card or cash?